Hey guys, Will here. Today I'm starting work on my V70 or in simple terms 2.3 litre swap into my V70 all-wheel drive. Today I'm going to be just taking off everything I don't need. So we've got the wiring harness, intake manifold, power steering pump, air conditioning compressor. Yeah, that's about it for today. I think we'll get started with that stuff. We'll start with the wiring harness. Alright, so while that's all soaking, I'm going to work on this end. We'll turn this around. Alright, so for now, I don't need to do anything there. I don't know why I took that off. I need to clean that thing. Alright, let's turn this back around the other way. Alright, so now we're going to start on this end and get everything off that we need to get off. Alright, onto the back. So the reason we need to remove the turbo is because this is an angle flange and the exhaust for the P80 all-wheel drives is flat. So this angle won't match up with my exhaust. So we've got to swap the exhaust housing at some stage. So there we go. I've finished taking off everything I want to take off for today. Well, until I clean it. The tools I needed were a Torx 40, a Torx 25, a 10, 12, 14, 17 and 19 mil socket, a 10 mil spanner for the intake, 13 mil spanner for the exhaust. Socket could work as well. Yeah, but mostly the 10, the 12 and the 14 for everything on the front. This big one here was 19, this one on the side was 17, and these were 13. Everything else was 10, 12 or 14. That's a little wobbly. But yeah, so next time I'll start cleaning it.